And, it had been physically very unpleasant and even quite dangerous. Some of the time the seas have been high, the boat sank 3 times, My death, going into the shark's jaws. Very unpleasant thing. The goddamn thing weighs about, I don't know how many tons, several tons of the jaws. You absolutely come down on the hydraulic pressure, When you do it 14 or 15 times in this kind of weather, in the cold, slide right into it. And then the teeth come and bite you there. It's not very nice.